The National Weather Service in Reno has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Douglas County in western Nevada, eastern Carson City in western Nevada, central Lyon County in west central Nevada, until 2:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 1:23 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Johnson Lane, Oregon, 10 miles northeast of Gardnerville, moving northwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, fencing, and trees. Locations impacted include Carson City, Dayton, Johnson Lane, Indian Hills, Minden Tahoe Airport, and Mount Carmel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.